Have you ever met a person that looks so kind and innocent? However, they are planning something dark and evil. Meet Gigi, and there's Bob behind Gigi. So, from the next picture, can you guess what she's planning? Here's the next picture. So, let's see if she's going to go through with her plan. For that, I need to open Sage 50 and let her purchase something. I'm going to open Sage 50 here. First, you're going to see a window asking you to open the sample company. And I need you to click on Open Sample Company and say OK. The next window is going to be the session date window. And I need you not to change anything here. Don't check on the Do Not Show This Message Again box. Just simply say OK. The first item that we are going to do here is we have to set up Sage 50 so that it's showing accounting terms. Notice right now it's telling you that there's a dashboard, customers and sales, vendors and purchases. Notice what happens when I go to the setup. Setup on the menu bar, and we'll go to user preferences. In this window, I'm going to choose use accounting terms. When I click on OK, see how this section here will change. So instead I'm going to say OK, instead of customers and sales, you're going to see receivables. So let's see if I have what Gigi needs, which is concrete blocks. I have 115. Beautiful. So I can go to receivables and see if Gigi is one of my customers. So just go to customers and say view. And I see that Gigi is right here. She's one of my customers. She only owes $114, so she must be a good customer. She bought $10,000 worth of products from me already. Beautiful. So let's go and sell her the concrete blocks. I'm going to go to sales invoices. So again, go to receivables. Go to sales invoices. Click on the down pointing arrow. Point to invoice and say create an invoice. The invoice window will come up, and notice the invoice number is already here. The date is here. We are going to go to the customer section, click on the down pointing arrow, and pick Gigi. And in the item number section here, you're going to see a magnifying glass. When you click on that, it will let you pick the concrete block from the inventory. Once you highlight it, say select. And the quantity is going to be 40. I'm going to tab out. You can see the details here. It's going to go to 42 to 100. The subtotal is here. The taxes are here. And even the early payment terms are here. I'm ready to post. So I'm going to say post. You get a warning. This is standard. Say OK. And the invoice is gone. The money is already in the account. And Gigi is planning her idea to see how she's going to execute. And then you know what? Bob comes home with flowers and chocolate and a bottle of wine. And he promised that he's going to be a changed man forever. And so Gigi decides to give him another chance and cancel that order. So we'll go to receivables again. Go to sales invoices. You're going to go to invoice and find the invoice. We're going to pick Gigi as a customer and say, okay, this will pull up the transactions. I'm going to choose the first one, open it, and on the toolbar, you're going to see an icon that says reverse invoice with a red X on it. Click on that once. And just like that, we are reversing that invoice. Say yes. We really should have checked to see if the inventory adjusted, but trust me, it did. I'm going to close it, and I see if the concrete blocks are back. I have 115, and Bob is saved. Gigi canceled the order, and they're going to live happily ever after. If you would like to find out what happens with Gigi and Bob, please subscribe to this channel, like the video, and let the accounting adventure continue.